Hello dear dreamers, welcome to BinMalik Prosperity Insights. Today we're diving into a life-changing concept that could be the key to unlocking your full potential. Imagine starting your day before the world wakes up, achieving more in a few hours than most do all day. Intrigued? Stay with your host BinMalik as we explore Sharma's groundbreaking book, The 5 a.m. Club, Own Your Morning, Elevate Your Life. Let's start with a question. Have you ever felt that your days slip away and you're always playing catch-up? What if I told you that the secret to transforming your life lies in mastering your mornings? Sharma introduces us to the 5 a.m. Club, a revolutionary morning routine practiced by the world's top performers. Why 5 a.m.? Because the early morning hours hold unparalleled power and tranquility, perfect for self-renewal and growth. By waking up at 5 a.m., you'll gain purpose, passion, and have the time and energy to focus on your goals. That's what the 5 a.m. Club is all about. But let me ask you, what's the first thing you do when you wake up? Check your phone, scroll through social media, or hit the snooze button? Most of us are stuck in a routine that's holding us back, but what if I told you there's a way to break free? Sharma's method is built on 4 key pillars. Victory hour. The first hour of your day from 5 to 6 a.m. is your victory hour. Divide it into 3 20-minute slots. Exercise to boost your energy, meditate for clarity, and grow by reading or journaling. 4 interior empires. Balance your mindset, heart set, health set, and soul set. These 4 pillars create a holistic approach to personal growth, ensuring you're not just successful, but also fulfilled. The twin cycles of elite performance. High achievers work in focused sprints followed by periods of deep rest. That involves working in focused blocks of time, typically 90 minutes each, followed by a recovery period of 10 minutes. This cycle prevents burnout and ensures sustained peak performance. The habit installation protocol. It takes 66 days to install a new habit. Split this into 3 phases. Destruction. First, 22 days. Let go of old routine. Installation, second 22 days. The neuroarchitecture changes, install a new habit. Integration, third 22 days. All professionals began as amateurs. Embrace the discomfort, for it's a sign of growth. Now, you might wonder, how can these principles help you achieve success and wealth? Picture this. CEOs, artists, athletes, and leaders all share a common trait. They harness the quietude of the early hours to set their intentions, strategize, and push their boundaries. This isn't just about waking up early. It's about transforming your life one morning at a time. Remember, success isn't an event, but a process. The 5 a.m. Club gives you the edge, that extra time to think, to grow, and to act before the rest of the world even wakes up. So are you ready to join the 5 a.m. Club and take charge of your destiny? Start small, set your alarm a bit earlier tomorrow, and gradually build up to 5 a.m. Embrace the solitude, harness the power, and watch as your life transforms in unimaginable ways. Thank you for watching BinMalik Prosperity Insights. If you found this video inspiring, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more life-changing content. Coming up next, have you ever wondered how to build substantial wealth starting from absolutely nothing? Are you curious about the secrets and strategies that self-made millionaires use to climb the financial ladder from ground zero? In our next video, we'll reveal the game-changing insights from Martin Vidal's Get Wealthy Starting with Nothing. How can you leverage your current situation to create multiple streams of income? What are the psychological shifts you need to make to attract wealth? Which simple yet powerful habits can transform your financial future? Can you really achieve financial freedom without initial capital? These questions and more will be answered as we uncover practical hacks and tips that can set you on the path to financial success, no matter where you're starting from. Remember, the journey to wealth begins with a single step, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Stay tuned, as that's the story for another BinMalik Prosperity Insights.